The next exercise in the series is called a short arc quad. And typically what you would do is you would place something, a folded up pillow, a towel roll, something under the upper thigh so that the knee has a little bit of support and it's elevated from the surface you're on. So you can see here I'm about 6 inches up from the top of the plinth, the mat that I'm laying on. And to do the short arc quad, what I do is, again, just like we did with the quad sets, I push down, I tighten the quadricep muscle, but this time because my thigh is elevated, what happens is my foot will actually lift just a couple inches. What patients tend to get wrong with this exercise is they try to do a straight leg raise, which is a different exercise. What we're trying to do here is tighten the quadricep, tighten the glute, push down into an object so that the foot comes up just a couple inches off the surface. We would repeat this 20 to 30 times, 3 to 4 times a day.